evolution of computer started from long back. We have seen different types of computer starting from this to this. Today we will understand the importance of Computer Literacy Day.
A warm greeting to all.
In today's evolving digital age, technology has become an integral part of our life. From the time we wake up to the time we go to bed, we are constantly interacting with the computers and digital devices.
Today, we celebrate Computer Literacy Day. Our day is dedicated to promoting digital literacy and empowering the individuals with their knowledge and skills to navigate the digital world.
And now, to unveil the theme that will guide us through this enlightening day, I would like to invite Hita for today's theme.
The theme of Computer Literacy Day 2024-25 is promoting multilingual education literacy for mutual understanding, and literacy unlocks the door for learning throughout life. A quote said by Kofi Annan. I repeat, literacy unlocks the door for learning throughout life. Computer literacy is important as it raises awareness about the importance of computer literacy and digital skills. It helps people access information, communicate, and stay connected in the digital world. It empowers individuals, creates job opportunities, and facilitates global connectivity. Thank you.
Semiconductor breakthrough. Infineon developed ultra-thin silicon wafers to enhance an AI efficiency and energy used in data centers. Quantum computing. Quantum simulators are aiding the discoveries of materials for advanced electronics. AI application. AI application is powering the wearable health patches and detecting the toxic gases and improving urban tree monitoring. Energy efficient transistors and nanotransistors offer more sustainable solutions beyond the silicon technology.
Belongs to those who understands technology. Computer Literacy Day is celebrated on December 2nd every year to celebrate the importance of computer literacy and digital skills. It also promotes digital literacy among individuals and bridges the technology gap. It also provides digital literacy among underserved communities, especially the individuals, empowers individuals and provide them skills needed to thrive in the digital age. It also enhances employability and career opportunities. It also provides the skills needed to thrive in the digital literacy. It empowers the country and also the nation. It is a collaborative effort to provide computer literacy, creating a more inclusive and digitally literate society. Computer literacy is essential for personal and professional growth in today's digital world. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.
Hey everyone, if you know the answer, comment in comment box.
Who is considered as the father of AI? I repeat, who is considered as the father of AI?
Which was the first computer virus? I repeat, which was the first computer virus?
Who is known as the mother of computer? I repeat, who is known as the mother of computer?